Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys how you can use a Mildliner and a Micron pen to create 4 different, headers. And I'm practicing today with the word hello. So you can see here, this Mildliner has a kind of a bullet tip which writes in a very consistent thickness. It also has the other side, which is a chiseled end, which you can use kind of as a point or as a thicker line, as you see that I'm doing in this third hello here. So I find having these like little tricks up my sleeve has been really helpful in making cute headers for my bullet journal or when planning. On this fourth one here, I'm just using a little bit of this thinner washi tape, which I got on Amazon, to kind of block out some of the space so that I can add a little banner in front of this hello here. The one thing about this washi tape that I really love is that it peels off so nicely without ripping the paper beneath it. So going back to the top hello, I'm actually lining to the left of any of the yellow Mildliner marks to create a bit of a shadow. So if you think you'll line to the left of the color, that's kind of a nice way to keep it to keep track of how to do the shadow. For the second one, using kind of like a cursive here, what I'm doing is outlining every single piece of the word hello to create a more solid border. And this is a nice effect that I'll use as like in my to-do list or tasks, or to even write out like Monday, Tuesday, or the days of the week, or even your monthly. You can write out August if you're doing like a bullet journal spread, and it comes out really nicely that way as well. For this video, I'm using the 03 Sakura Micron Pen, but I also like to use the 01 point, which is just a little bit thinner. But today, for the video, I thought an 03 would be nice. This was a popular header for me doing monthlies when I used to bullet journal a lot, where I would kind of write in bold in the background and then cursive over in a pen, black pen. And then the fourth one here is a cute little banner that I'm using a stencil from my Hobonichi stencil set, and it creates a banner on top of the word hello. And yeah, that's it. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see more tutorials on writing or headers, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much, guys.